Hi, we're MeatNBone and today we're cooking American lamb chops.
These domestic lamb chops truly represent the pinnacle of quality. The USDA Prime of Lamb, la creme de la creme. But what makes them stand out? The distinction of American lamb begins with how it's raised. Quite similar to beef, and it marbles just like beef. It's all about prioritizing taste and tenderness. This results in an exceptionally mild and buttery flavor profile. From a sustainability perspective, American lamb takes the high road. It's raised with a keen focus on animal well-being, fostering healthy communities, and ensuring economic viability. This not only benefits more than 800,000 American farmers and ranchers, but also secures a bright future for generations to come. When you choose American lamb, you're not just getting a delicious product. You're also supporting a robust infrastructure that's dedicated to the well-being of its ecosystem.